ഭവച്ചക്രജ്യോതിഷ്കണലവനിപാതേന വിധുതേ തതോ മായാചക്രേ വിതതഘനരോഷാന്ധമനസം ഗരിഷ്ഠാഭിർമുഷ്ടിപ്രഹൃതിഭിരഭിഘ്നന്ദമസുരം സ്വപാദാംഗുഷ്ഠേന ശ്രവണപദമൂലേ നിരവധി ഭവച്ചക്രജ്യോതിഷ്കണലവനിപാതേന വിധുതേ തതോ മായാചക്രേ വിതതഘനരോഷാന്ധമനസം ഗരിഷ്ഠാഭിർമുഷ്ടിപ്രഹൃതിഭിരഭിഘ്നന്ദമസുരം സ്വപാദാംഗുഷ്ഠേന ശ്രവണപദമൂലേ നിരവധി മഹാകായസോയം തവ ചരണപാദപ്രമഥിതോ ഗളദ്രക്തോ വക്ത്രാദാപതഋഷിഭിः ശ്ലാഘിതഹതി തദാ ത്വാമുദ്ദാമപ്രമദഭരവിദ്യോതിഹൃദയാ മുനീന്ദ്രാः സാന്ദ്രാഭിസ്തുതിഭിരനുവന്നധ്വരതനും മഹാകായസോയം തവ ചരണപാദപ്രമഥിതോ ഗളദ്രക്തോ വക്ത്രാദാപതഋഷിഭിः ശ്ലാഘിതഹതി തദാ ത്വാമുദ്ദാമപ്രമദഭരവിദ്യോതിഹൃദയാ മുനീന്ദ്രാः സാന്ദ്രാഭിസ്തുതിഭിരനുവന്നധ്വരതനും.
ഹരേ കൃഷ്ണ. ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നമസ്തേ. ദശകം 13, ശ്ലോകാസ് 7 and 8. Tada, thereafter, Maya Chakre Bhavat Chakra Jyotishkanalava Nipatena Vidhute. The tricks or Maya that the demon employed were all destroyed when a tiny or an insignificant amount of energy or radiance transmitted from the Lord's discus. Vitataghana Roshantha Manasam, blind with fury and having lost sense. Garishtabhi Mushti Prahrtibhi Abhignandam Asuram. Garishtabhi Mushti Prahrtibhi Abhignandam Asuram. The demon who was striking fatal blows at the Lord with his fists. Swapadangushtena Shravanapadamule Niravadhi struck him with great force on his cheek with your big toe. The translation is Hiranyaksha, ignorant of the fact that the Lord transcends all Maya or illusions, employed various tricks to triumph over the Lord. But all his moves were ineffective before the mighty discus in the Lord's hand, even when the discus was not activated. This blinded the demon with fury, and he went insane. With clenched fists, he struck fatal blows at the Varahamurti several times. Finally, the Varahamurti, with his big toe, delivered a fine kick on the demon's cheek. Now, Shloka 8. Mahakaya sa ayam. The demon with a gigantic body. Tava charanapada pramatitha. Tava charanapada pramatitha. Receiving the massive blow from your foot. Vaktrad galadrakta. Vaktrad galadrakta. Bleeding from the mouth. Rishibhi shlaghita hati. Being praised by the sages for slaying the demon. Apatat, fell dead. Tada, then. Uddama pramadabhara vidyoti hridaya munindra. Great sages extremely happy at heart. Adhvara tanum tvam. You who is the symbol or personification of yajnas or sacrifices. Sandrabhi stutibhi anuvan. Loudly sang hymns praising you. The meaning of the shloka is: the single kick you delivered on the cheek of Hiranyaksha was enough to ground the giant, O Lord Guruvayurappa. He fell dead with blood pumping out of his mouth. The great sages witnessing this event were delighted at heart, as a terrible nuisance was over forever. They sang hymns in loud tones, praising you, O Lord, in the form of Varahamurti, who also symbolizes or who is the embodiment of all yajnas or sacrificial rites. The underlying essence of the story is the triumph of wisdom over ignorance. As mentioned earlier, Hiranyaksha means one with an eye on gold. And this applies to all of us who are naturally inclined to fancy luxury and sensual pleasures, as we think they bring joy. Only when the light of wisdom dawns in us, we realize that material life only leads us into the quagmires of sorrow, and the real bliss is our true form. There is a Hiranyaksha in each one of us, which can be slain through self realization. Namaste.